and this is DIY with Lauren K. My husband and I bought a new construction home about a year ago, and I am remodeling the bedroom. When you buy a new construction home, they don't paint really anything besides the restroom, the kitchen, and that's pretty much it. You're left with this chalk paint that when you touch it, it just comes off your hands really easily. I'm gonna do the closet, the restroom, here in the hallway. These are like the most tedious things, whereas the bedroom is just 4 walls. I'm gonna work on the hard stuff first, and yeah, we'll go from there. You know what I hate? I hate being made felt like you can't do something. You can absolutely do anything that you want to do. I'm just tired of having the professionals come over here getting quotes $18,000 and $20,000 for that, and I'm like, ain't nobody got that kind of money right now. When you're starting out, you don't need much. This is why I'm doing this, because like I tell my kids, you can do absolutely anything, and I will show you exactly how. Here are the things that you're gonna need to get started for today's project. We're gonna be painting. We have 9-inch. This is the paintbrush. You're gonna use these ones for here, these super tight spots right here, definitely in these areas right here. So something like that, 2 inches. For the bigger areas right here, 4 inches. The tray is for your 9-inch roller, a little handheld one, extension one. Turn it like that, pull it up, spin it to lock it into place. Buy a couple plastic bags of these. Make sure you have the metal. Mop the walls with, since I have children. Bathrooms, cabinets, shutters, doors, furniture, garage doors, windows, and trim. Dry time is about an hour. Recoat time about 2 hours. I got 2 of these just to be safe, depending on if you prefer to do 2 coats, grab 2 of these. I only do 2 coats at the most. This is really good paint. So to open the paint, you're gonna need to use one of these at the crease, and you're gonna lift it up all around. You're just gonna stir it. My big brush, because this is a big area, dab it like that. This part is bleeding down already, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up.
I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
If you're still like, I don't get it, how do you paint the borders? The tip of the brush, very crease. So try to get that fine edging from the wall to the ceiling. I hope you guys can see that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. Don't make it too complicated, don't overthink it. For those of you asking, how do you paint like that? How do I know how much paint I have on my brush? You want to have a good amount, and you want to have an even amount. You can see the lines of the tray. That means you need more paint there. Roll it forward, bring it back. You see how the lines go away? Once I have a good amount, I kind of take off a little bit and make sure that it's evenly distributed around the entire paintbrush. And when you pick it up, you want to make sure that it's not dripping. If it's dripping, that means you have way too much on. If it's like that, there's really no lines. You have an even amount of paint on there. I start at one corner and I make sure that the metal is on the outside. The part with no metal is on the inside of the corner. Go down, straight down, and then you're gonna kind of curve it to the right a little bit, and you're gonna go up. It's kind of like vacuuming, straight down to the side. And here at the edge of the shower, we're gonna go all the way down to the bottom. Here in the middle, I did do the border before I did the painting. Make sure not to touch anything because the walls are wet. If you really want, like, just slide it all the way. To complete the hallway, this is literally all I need. Solo necesito esta parte aquí. This is all I need. Oh my god, I'm already exhausted.